My name is Claire. I'm from Amarillo, Texas. I am a grad student in Speech and Hearing Sciences Department at the Harrington Academic Hall, WT Amarillo Center. What's awesome about our department here is we have our own clinic in the building, and I wish that I would have known that sooner, just because how awesome that we get to learn and apply what we've learned into clinic.
My name is Sierra Garcia. I'm from Houston, Texas, and my major right now is Master's in Nursing with emphasis on comprehensive and education. Here, this building provides so many amenities and resources that we usually don't have in any other buildings. For instance, they provide us with these awesome mannequins who help our students on real life experiences that we have in the nursing field. A baby being delivered, how to take care of PD patients, how to take care of newborn patients.
In the building, we have 3 floors and a basement, which holds all of our classrooms. Our class sizes fit perfectly into the rooms that we're in.
And on top of that, they have amazing study rooms, so that just gives students an outlet to be like, oh, I actually have to ask my professor a question, and they can just come down and meet with us. I feel like it brings them a sense of collaboration and teamwork here.
The Speech and Hearing Sciences Department and nursing students get to educate each other, and we get to learn, which I think is great because we get to do that in the real world, and we're learning that in school as well.